seed form. Om light is seed form of all visual forms. Om sound is seed form of all oral forms. Time, absolute time, the pulsation of consciousness is the seed form of conceptual time and all frequency in the material world. Anywhere you find Om light, anywhere you find light, the source is the luminosity of Om light. Do you understand? The brightness in your eye,
From here to
the
here,
luminosity in your
it
eye.
takes different shape till it is 9 times 9.
Fire, the luminosity of fire.
Complicated, huh?
In a cave, there is a subtle luminosity. Om light is everywhere.
I don't.
In a cave, when your
No.
vision becomes refined, there is a luminosity that appears.
Only limited.
Yeah. Everything in creation is luminous, has a luminosity. But it's more evident in the sun, the moon, the stars, the moon, anything here that gives off light. The animals, the plankton that give off light. You know, the sea creatures that give off light.
Yeah.
The stones that give off, they're fluorescent stones that give off light. That's a clear evidence of luminosity. But luminosity is everywhere.
Exactly.
There are things that are light. The origin of the luminosity is a shifted down level of light. We couldn't bear the luminosity of Om light. The luminous nectar that Buddha talked about, the luminous nectar. It's unbearable. So it becomes shifted down to express itself through the sun, the moon, the stars, through the luminosity of a person. I'm forgetting the word exactly, but dampened down. Yeah. But it is literally everywhere. There's a point at which you begin to see the luminosity around you. You look around and your eyes get slightly adjusted and you see things as luminous.